Welcome to D&D Learning Series. Today we are going to learn about LDR sensor, light dependent resistor. We also call it as photo resistor, photo cell, cadmium sulfide cell. So it can come in 3 pin or a 4 pin. So these two are like it can act as digital as well as analog sensor. So let us see in detail about this sensor. So this LDR sensor is having many components on this PCB board that you can see that the first thing, as I said, it's digital plus analog sensor. It is having 4 pins. So first pin, you can see that which is a VCC, second is GND, third is digital output, fourth is analog output. So DO means digital output, AO means analog output. So the first VCC pin that we use is connected to the 5 volt on the Arduino Uno board. Second is GND. GND means ground, which will be connected to the GND port on the Arduino Uno board. The third pin, which is digital output pin, that we connect, that carries the signal from this sensor. So we connect it to the digital pin. If you take an Arduino Uno, then it will be pin number 0 to 13. The fourth pin, which is called analog output AO pin, that will be connected to the A0 to A5 when it is acting as a analog sensor. So as I said that this sensor can act as digital as well as analog. So this DO pin you will use when the sensor is acting as digital sensor, and AO pin will be used when it is acting as analog sensor. So this part is called as potentiometer. So this we use to increase or decrease the resistance of the sensor, so that the range of the sensors will be varied according to the value. So this part is called as sensing part. Here the photo value will be sensed by the sensor. This called as module. So it consists the different components to modulate the signal. So you can see that the same LDR sensor which is on the PCB board as well as on the breadboard. If you see the breadboard circuit, it is quite complicated when you are using many number of sensors into a project. So it's always better to use the LDR sensor with the PCB, which is very compact and easy to use. So the LDR sensor will come in different sizes. It can vary from 5 mm diameter to the 11 mm diameter and in different format. So let us see about its working principle. The working principle is photoconductivity. That means as the intensity of the light increases, the resistance decreases. That means the resistance of LDR is inversely proportional to the intensity of the light. So you can see the construction of this sensor. There are two cold weld contacts plates, normal plates, and which have been separated by the photoconductive material. That means when the light falls on this surface, automatically it conducts. That means the circuit closes and it gives you the signal output. So this is how the sensor actually works, and this is the sensing part. Remaining all that you see in the module is the modulation of this signal. So in the next picture we'll see how it works. When there is no light, there is no any flow of electricity. As soon as the light falls on this sensing part, the current will start flowing to the circuit depending upon the intensity of the light falling on the surface. Here you can see a simple circuit where we are using LDR sensor in the digital format to glow an LED. So VCC, GND and the output pin is connected to pin number 8. When you just close the LDR sensor and create the darkness, the LED will be on, and if you remove your hand, automatically the LED will be off. This is a sample example. So the general life example of this LDR is like you can use the same LDR into the automatic street light where the lights will be on off depending upon the darkness and the brightness. You can use the same in the burglar alarm. If you are not at home and someone comes and switch on the light, you can make this kind of a projects also. You can make few alarms depending upon the intensity of the light. So there are many more applications regarding the LDR sensors. So we have learned about the LDR sensor and what are the projects that we can make. So few projects that we suggest is you can make automatic lights at your home or at your place where you live or at your school. And as I said that this can be applicable to the light sensitive circuits like light activated or darkness activated circuits. You can use this sensor. If you combine this LDR sensor along with the sound playback module, which is very beautiful component, you can see regarding this, there is a link in the description. You can see regarding this also. You can record the message in your own voice and just make it play according to the signal of this LDR sensor. You can make the alarms, or you can make some messages like thanks for switching off the lights or saving the energy, or you can make a morning alarm for yourself. So there are different projects that you can do using this LDR sensor. So that is up to you how to develop the projects. Hope you enjoyed the video. There are many videos regarding the Tinkering Lab there in our channel. Please do encourage us by subscribing our channel, and also suggestions or any remarks or any doubts, please do in the comment box. Keep learning, keep tinkering.